Now we are going to take up one more problem on projections of laminas. Problem number 87. How to solve this problem using AutoCAD software. A rectangular lamina of 35 mm by 20 mm rests on HP on one of its shorter edges. The lamina is rotated about the edge on which it rests till it appears as a square in the top view. The edge on which the lamina rests is inclined at 30 degrees to VP. Draw the projections and find its inclinations to HP. So this is the problem. The solution is here. So first we need to go to AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. The command is limits. So here lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point and take at the rate 297 less than 0, at the rate 210 less than 90, at the rate 297 less than 180 and say close. So this is the relative polar coordinate system. So this is how the input is given for a line by using relative polar coordinate system. And then go to layer. So click on the new layer, type the layer by name XY, and then click on new, type the layer by name front view, enter. So click on new, type the layer by name top view. Then go to layer 0. Layer 0 will have 0.05 and layer XY will going to have 0.13 and front view will going to have 0.5 and top view will going to have 0.5. Then the top view will have the color as magenta and front view will going to have blue color and say close. Now you just go to the solution. So now we want to have this first we're going to have 20 by 35. So go to line, select some arbitrary point and draw a horizontal line and this vertical line offset. So the distance is 35 by 20. So offset, you take 35, select this and offset here and this as 20. So from here you will going to get this. Then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Then go to line, draw a horizontal line, then go to line, take int of this, then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two and between these two. So you just click on this, go to layer, make that layer as front view and you just click on these two and also click on these two. Go to layer, make that layer as top view, then switch on the line weight display mode. So now the second is it is resting on shorter edges, so till it becomes a square in the top view. So to do that, so first we will go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. Similarly line, take int of this and then go to line, take nearest point and draw perpendicular to this. So offset, take the distance as 20, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line and then go to fillet, then go to fillet between these two and similarly fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line and go to line, take int of this and draw a, then go to circle, take int of this, take the radius as 35, then go to break the circle till here and break this circle till here, then go to erase, then you just go to trim this as the cutting edge and object to trim as this, then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this, then go to break, select this line, first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break, first point, take int of this and say at the rate. So here you just click on this and you click on this, so then go to layer, make that layer as top view, then you just click on this and you select this, go to layer, make that layer as front view. So once you do that, then it is rotated by an angle of 30 degrees. Then you just copy this, the second position drawing is copied to this and then go to rotate, take this rotation angle as 60 degrees So then just go to zoom window, then go to line, take int of this and draw the horizontal line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. And then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. Take line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two, and then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to break this line till here and break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now you just select these two and you select these two, then go to layer, make that layer as front view. Similarly, you select this line and this line, and you make this layer as XY. Once you do that, then go to DDIM, then go to modify, then take this linear dimension as 0, decimal is up to second decimal point. Go to text, align with the dimension line, center becomes above. So this dimension is 3 and this dimension is also 3. Symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3. Then go to lines and take this as 3 and say OK and say close. Now we need to go for dim. You take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this. So this dimension will be 35 and take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this. So this dimension will be 20 and take intersection point of this and intersection point of this. So this dimension will be 20. Then go to angular, select between these two. So you're going to get it as text. So 55.15. So the angle is 55.15. Then you give space and enter. So you take this here. Then go to DDIM. Now you just go to modify. Then go to primary units, make it as 0 and say OK and say close. Then go to dim, go to angular, select between this line and this line. So you're going to get it as 30 degrees. Now you just go to dtext, then go to dtext. So you click on this, take the height as 3, rotation angle as 0. So you mark this as X, VP, and this as HP, and here this as Y. Then you remove the caps lock, type A, B, C, and D. Here you type A dash, here you type B dash, and this as bracket C dash, and this as bracket B dash. So once you do that, then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, then go to X, and here you mark this as BP, and you change this to HP, and this as Y. Then here you mark this as A, you mark this as B, you mark this as C, and this as D. Then you just go to A dash, and this as D dash, then this as B dash, and this as C dash. Then you just change this, go to layer, make this layer as front view. Then you take HP, D, A, B, and C. Then go to layer, make this as top view. Then go to copy. So you copy this A here, and that A will come here, and this as B, and that B will come here, and this as C, and that C will come here, and this as D, and that D will come here now. So this is what you have A, B, C, D, and similarly here. Now you just go to copy, select A dash, and this as D dash, and similarly you just go to B dash, and this come dash C dash. Now you just go to A dash will come here, and this will be D dash, and this as B dash, sorry, A, B, C, D. So here this becomes wrong. So here we need to remodify this. So you just remove this. So here A, B, C, D. So here B will come here. So you just fill it between these two. Once you do that, then C, then go to line, take int of this, and go to fillet ABC, AD, BC. So you just go to fillet between these two. So then D, then go to line, take int of this, A and D. So here A will come, sorry. So this itself is wrong. So here we need to change this. Then go to A should come here. So here switch off this. Then go to move. Take A here. Then B will come here. So D will come here. So here AD, then B, and then C. So once you do that, so now here this is how you are going to get. So now you just go to switch on this, then go to line, take int of this and draw this, then go to fillet between these two. So AD will come here, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line, and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. So then just go to intersection point of this, then you just go to fillet between these two, then go to line, take int of this and draw int of this now. So similarly you just go to line, take int of this and draw this, then go to break this line, first point, take int of this and say @ Now similarly break first point, take int of this and say @. Now you just go to these 4 lines and you change this layer to front view. So once you do that, now you just click on this. So this line will be layer XY. So once you do that, now here you just go to D text. So type A dash, and this will come to B dash, and this will be having C dash, and this will be having D dash. Now you just go to move, switch off the ortho mode, take A dash, and this D dash, and this is C dash, and this is B dash. Now you just select between these two, and this, go to layer, make that layer as front view. So this is how you will be able to complete this drawing. And now we need to write the answer here. So to do that, so here you just come down to this theta, go to M text. So you just click on this, and here come down to formatting, go to symbol, type small letter Q. So you're going to get theta. So the angle is 55.15. Then go to D text, type 55.15 percentage D, and then go to copy, select, then go to copy, select this and copy this till here, then go to move. So you keep it here now. Once you do that, then go to line, select this, and you switch on the ortho mode. So you drag this, then go to line, take end point and draw this, then go to line, take nearest point on this and go to offset, take the distance as 6 and offset this, and then theta, then trim and trim these two, select this and these two as the cutting edges, and then go to D text. Here you type answer. So this is how you will be able to complete this drawing by using AutoCAD. Thank you.